Dear students, now I am going to be continuing some examples in the sum of the first n elements of an AP, that is having a formula Sn is equal to n by 2, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the example is given as the sum of n elements of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio of 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 16. Find the ratio of their 18th element. So 18th element is given by, that is T18 is equal to a plus 17d, that we have to be find out. Okay. The sum of the n elements of two APs are in the ratio. Ratio means they are in the form of p by 2. That is Sn divided by Sn dash id, or Sn1 divided by Sn2 also you can take. Okay. That is are in the ratio of, that is 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 16. So what is actually Sn is, that Sn is having, that is n by 2 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d, or you can take this one as the d1. Okay, then this one is n by 2 again 2a2 plus n minus 1 into dt, that is 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 16 they have given. So have been written its formula. Okay. So now here this n by 2 get cancelled. Then what remains here? That is 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 divided by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to, that is 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 60. So I want it what I want is, that is a plus 7, that is 18th element. That is nothing but T18. I can write it as a plus 17d. So I have to write this one term in the form of a plus nd. So here what I have, that is 2a1 2a2. So directly what I will do, in the LHS I will divide it by this numerator and denominator is going to be divided by the 2. So that time what I will get, that is a1 plus n minus 1 d1 by 2 divided by a2 plus n minus 1 d2 by 2, or else you can write this one as n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2, like that. Okay, is equal to what? That is 5n plus 4, 9n plus 60. Now it is having a plus nd, a plus nd. So we have to find out for what? That 18th element. That 18th element is having, that is a plus 17d. So how to be in place of 17, what we have? n minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, that is n minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to what? 17. Look here. In place of 17, that is a plus n is 17. That is n minus 1 divided by 2, that is 17. Then n minus 1 is equal to 34. Then n is equal to how much? 35. Therefore, that is we have to find out its 18th element. That is what we have. That is therefore 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 60. In place of n, substitute the 35. That is 5 into 35 plus 4 divided by 9 into 35 plus 60. And the answer is what? We have 179 divided by 331 is your answer. So that is its ratio. That is what is the ratio? That is the ratio of the 18th element. That is, you can write this one as what? That is a plus 17 d1 divided by a plus 17 d2, like that. A1 plus 17 d1 divided by, this is a2 plus 17 d2. That find there the ratio of the 18th element is, that is 179 divided by 331 is the value. So here this example is very simple. What we have are the sum of n elements of two APs. The sum of elements of two APs are, that is Sn divided by Sn dash. They have given the ratio of 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 16. So I have written its formula, that is n by 2 2a1 plus n minus 1 divided by d1, and n by 2 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 5n plus 4 9n plus 16. N by 2 get cancelled. I have written the same term as it is. So here what I want is, that is a plus nd I want in this form, a plus nd. So I have been divided the numerator as well as the denominator by the 2. Then I get this term and I compare with its 17, that is 18th element, that is n minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 17. Then I get the value of n and I substitute here, that is 1 over the ratio of the 18th element it is having. Okay, so the next one example is having if the sum of first m elements of AP, the sum of first m elements of AP is the same as the sum of its first n elements show that the sum of its m plus n elements is 0. So in this example, what we have given, the sum of the first m elements of an AP is the same as of sum of its first n element, that is nothing but Sn is equal to Sn. Then what we have to be sure, that it's Sm plus n, the answer should be 0. The sum of the first m plus, so show that the sum of its m plus n elements is equal to 0. First we compare this one, that is what is Sm, that is m by 2 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to Sn is m by 2a plus n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this to get cancelled. Then I multiply this m inside the bracket, that is 2am plus, this is md is going to be multiplied inside the bracket, that is m square d minus md. I multiply this m totally inside the bracket, that is m into m square into d, that m square d, that is m minus m into d, that is minus md. Okay, this is 2an, this is also, that is n square d minus md. Now what I will do, I will take this RHS terms to the LHS. 2am minus 2an, I pair this one, plus inside the bracket m square d minus n square d, then plus this one is, if I come this to the LHS, that is nd minus md is equal to this one. Now here 2a is the common, then what here m minus m, plus here d is the common, then this one is m square minus n square, plus here also the d is the common, then it is n minus m, that is n minus of m. Okay, So now what I will do, if I interchange this one, then what I will get here? If I interchange this one, what I will get here? That is minus is becoming plus is becoming minus. This is m minus n plus d. M square minus n square is m plus n. M minus n. So totally d I will take here outside. Okay, and here minus of m minus n. Totally I d taken the common, and I interchange this one, then it is becoming plus is minus, minus is becoming plus is becoming minus. Okay. So among all those, I will take the m minus n as the common. When I take that, m minus n is the total common multiple. Then inside the bracket, what I will get? 2a plus m minus n is the common, plus this is one m plus n. M minus n is common, m plus n, then minus 1 into d. What I will get? That is 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. So is equal to what? 0. I'm sorry, I did not put is equal to 0. I will send this m minus n to the RHS, and it's 0 by any number is again 0. Therefore, that is a 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to what? 0. So, in the next part they have been asked, show that the sum of its m plus n elements is 0. Therefore, sum of m plus n elements, that is s of m plus n, wherever n is there, there it will be m plus n divided by 2, that is 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so already we know we have the value that 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is what? 0. Therefore m plus n divided by 2 into 0 is again what? 0. Therefore the sum of m plus n elements is what having? The value is 0. So this is a very simple, this type of question they may ask it for the 3 marks, remember. Okay, so again I am going to explain this one. Here what they are given in the question is, the sum of the first m elements of an AP is the same as the sum of the first n elements of elements. Sum of first m elements is equal to sum of first n elements. Both are having the same. Show that the sum of its m plus n elements is 0. Okay, now I compare this one. The sum of the m elements with the n elements. Then I did cancel m by divided by 2 divided by 2. Then I multiply m inside bracket, n inside the bracket. Then I have been taken this RHS terms to the LHS. Then I did the combination of 2am minus 2am plus here m square d minus n square d. Then if I take this one to the LHS, then it is plus md minus md is equal to 0. Then here in between what we have the common multiple is 2a, the m minus n is remaining, plus overall totally I have taken not in between these two I have the d is the common, and m square minus n square, plus here d is the common multiple, then n minus m. Then I interchange this one here, then it is becoming plus is becoming minus is becoming plus. Overall totally d as the common, then m square minus n square, m plus n, m minus n. So overall here the m minus 1 is m minus n is what? M minus n is what? The having a common multiple. I have been taken outside m minus n. Then what inside the bracket is? This is 2a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. Then m minus n I send it to the RHS. Then what it is becoming? That is again 0 by any number is 0. Then what remaining? 2a plus n plus m minus 1 into d. Okay. Now the sum of what they have been said is to show the sum of its m plus n elements is 0. Sum of m plus n elements is wherever n is there, substitute m plus n divided by 2, 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So now already we know the value of 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is what? 0. So it is 0. The m plus n divided by 2 into 0 is again 0. We have been shown. So the examples are very simple here. Okay. So the next one example in the AP is having, the next one example is having, so here this example is given as, if the sum of n elements of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its the mth element is, that is the last element, that is Tm element is 164, mth element, then find the value of m here we are given. Okay. So the sum of the first n elements what they are given, that is Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n they have given, and the mth element, that is Tm, is equal to what they are given, 164. Okay. So first we have to find out its previous element of this Sn is Sn minus 1. In place of n, substitute the n minus 1, that is a 3 n minus 1 whole square 5 n minus 1. So we have to solve this one. 3, this is n square plus 1 minus 2n plus, this is the 5n minus 5. Okay. This one is 3n square plus 3 minus 6n plus 5n minus 5, that is a 3n square minus n minus 2. This is Sn minus 1. Okay. And next what I will do, we have to find out its nth element, that is Tn. Its nth element is nothing but that is Sn minus 1. We have to subtract this one into, then Sn is what? 3n square plus 5n minus of 3n square minus n minus 2. So therefore what I will get, that is Tn is equal to 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square plus n plus 2 plus 3n square plus 3n square minus 3n square get cancelled. This is 5n plus n, that is 6n plus 2 is its nth element. So here already they have given that mth element. In place of n, I will substitute dm, that is Tm is equal to 6m plus 2. Then what is the mth element is 164 is equal to 6m plus 2. Then 162 is equal to 6m. Then m is equal to 162 divided by 2, that is 6 2s are 12. Then 6 7s are 42. So its mth value is having a 27. Okay. So this example is very simple to solve. So again I am going to explain this one. So what they are given, if the sum of n elements of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its nth element they have given. So in place of n they have given the m. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, so I can write it as the nth also. Its nth element is 164. Find its value of m they have given. Okay, so Sn is what? 3n square plus 5n they have given. So I have written its mth element is 164. Next, I have been find out its previous elements of this one, that is Sn minus 1. In place of n I substitute the n minus 1. Then I get the term as 3n square minus n minus 2. Then I subtract this Sn minus of Sn minus 1 to get its nth element. To getting the nth element, we have to find out its Sn minus of Sn minus 1. Okay. Then I get its nth element is as the 6n plus 2. So in place of n I substitute the m. This is its nth element. So in place of n, I have to substitute m. Then I get its nth element is 6n plus 2. Then I compare with the value of this one. Then 164 is equal to 6n plus 2. Then I get its m value is having a 27. Okay. So by pausing the video, you have to note on the notes. Along with that, give your attendance also. Okay. Some few more examples are there that I will continue in the next class. So thank you.